My heart was pounding. First time she ever let me pet her. There was so much at stake, a huge blizzard expected that night. And a feral cat was chasing her from her outside heated house. He was a really big boy. She was dirty and really skinny. I could feel the bones underneath that fur. It was extremely cold and my arm was freezing, but I knew I had to catch her. I was afraid she would run away just from hearing my heart beating like crazy. I ended up catching her shortly after I took this video. But the journey as an inside kitty was rough. More about that later.